What's going on, guys? Today we are back in Invermere. So this is a 2-day trip. It's getting pretty late on Friday. We're at the Petrocam here waiting for a couple more people to show up, and then we're gonna head off, set up camp, and then yeah, we're gonna get out wheeling first thing tomorrow morning. Made it to camp, and apparently one of my micro lights almost fell off. How are you?
Tired.
Good enough. This is great. Like, not even 50 meters up from where we're camped, we found these old structures, a little bit of an old ghost town here. There's a 2-story cabin there that's collapsed, a little bit sketchy, and a little bit further up, there's a trapper's camp.
Welcome to forever, man. Let's go. Come on. It's forever. No surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever. Go. And there will be no surrender. Now allow me to reintroduce myself. They call me J.O.N. to the easy E. Know that we undefeated. Y'all are beneath them speeches trying to air a grievance, but his lines are overhead. Better check the air for clearance. Call the tower. This is ours. Clear the heat, the air apparent. Really, I've never been better. Legacy, this is forever. All the more times I've been severed. I'm raising the bar. You can go ahead and measure. Think about time for a toast. Time that we welcome to go. Y'all were just leaving. I think about time that somebody go get them that coat. You know I got all that anthem. Come back in. What you call that add-on? Got anthems and bands with masters. Getting them right like my name was Miranda. I ain't bigger dead than alive. I'm bigger dead than alive. One more time. This is forever. Remember the legend. He never will die. Yeah. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Dead than alive. Yeah. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. Just making sure that you know why. Because this is forever. And there will be no surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here.
Alright, so it seems this marker light is becoming a common issue this trip, so well, let's install the marker light delete kit really quick. You know what? Boom. No marker light.
And everything not on my level, you can be the enemy. This is the planet, we showing them anyway. Hit up the lawyers and give them the NDA. Woo! This is the brand new, nothing you can do, and there ain't no thing that you'll be taking from me, man. It came from nothing, made it something. Name is buzzing, call me Ryan Gosling. Hey, gon' know that they gonna love me more when I'm gone or retired. The throne, the kind of things that I'm gonna be feeling like a god, because this is forever. And there will be no surrender. You know that this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Dead than alive. Yeah. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. Making sure that you know why, because this is really I've never been better. Legacy, this is forever. Really, I never been better. Legacy, this is forever. Really, I never been better. The legacy live on forever. Yeah, remember the legend and know that he never surrendered. Because this is forever. And there will be no surrender. Yeah. Come on, here we go. You know that this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever.
I'm not where I'm supposed to be. I'm going in circles, going in circles. I should get away from here. There's a better place for me, better place for me. Trying to play my symphony, but there's so much noise around, so much noise around. Constantly fighting for space. I need to clear my mind, need to clear my mind. I wanna be empty, be empty. Be empty. A sparkle lights a fire. I'm high, I'm a butterfly, a blooming flower, but I am thirsty. A drop of water and another drop of water. Sunlight, I'll soon be rising. I'm a butterfly.
So, these guys have been on this trail before, but they've never actually been this far. From here, it's been mostly quads and stuff that have been up here, and as you can tell, Coma's in a bit of a tippy situation, so we gotta actually dig out that bank, make it safe. And then not only that, there's a couple of big boulders down on the road that we need to move.
I got a gun to my head, a gun to my head. I got a gun to my head, a gun to my head. Got a gun to my head, a gun to my head. I wanna be empty, be empty. Be empty. A sparkle lights a fire. I'm high, I'm a butterfly, a blooming flower, but I am thirsty. A drop of water and another drop of water. Sunlight, I'll soon be rising. I'm a butterfly. There's a better place for me, better place for me. There's a better place for me, better place for me. I'm high, I'm a butterfly, I am thirsty, and another drop of water. I'll soon be rising. I'm a butterfly. Better place, better place. A sparkle lights a fire. I'm high, I'm a butterfly. A drop of water and another drop of water. I'll soon be rising.
All my walls are covered in words, and while you sleep, I mark my goals. Stand tall, think clear. Don't let them see a hint of fear. Lines and dots, zoom in, zoom out. Open your window, let them hear you shout. Right on the poles, right on the street. Always remember the future is near. Cut some corners. don't stop at the end.
You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know.
When I was a kid, my dad used to say, don't let anything stand in your way. Stand tall, think big. I promise I'll always be here. Cut some corners, scratch some scars. Open your cape and jump from the car. Open your mouth, take a deep breath. Run fast and don't stop at the end.
You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know.
Ryan said his goal today was to touch snow. And we are here.
When I was a kid, my dad used to say, don't let anything stand in your way.
You can actually crawl all the way through this here. Ryan's in there. Oh, hey, where'd you guys come from?
Oh,
Is that a good trek?
yeah. I'm out of breath.
That's awesome. And we made it home. So that was super fun, but let's go over the damages on the truck. So marker light fell out, won't sit in anymore. Great. This fender broke on the bottom, zip tied back into place. There's a really, really big scratch on the other side, which left a nice crease. And oh yeah, my clutch is shot again. That's great. Anyways, guys, if you like this stuff, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.